First and foremost, we have to do is moisturize our skin. So I will be using moisturizer by Minimalist. I'll be applying it Next is also a very important step, and that is we will be using a sunscreen. So I will be using a sunscreen by Foxtail. I really love how it does not show white cast on my face. I will be using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Let's begin with this concealer. For my under area, I will be adding on a tone concealer. I usually like to use my hands to blend things, so let's proceed. And then using a beauty blender to blend it. So next we will be doing a tight lining. So I'll zoom in. We will be using Lip Sugar Smudge Proof Eyeliner. This is lip liner brush by Color Bar. So the tight lining trick is take your eyeliner and take your brush, and so basically you pick up the eyeliner onto your brush. So we'll extend it by a little. We will do the same onto our another eye. You can directly apply it through the eyeliner brush, but it is difficult, or else it gets into your eyes. I noticed that. Or else you can do is use a gel liner or pencil liner to do the same. Next onto eyebrows, which are simple and easy. Moving on to the lips, more lipstick. We'll be adding this. So when you put a mole down here, it grabs the attention to your center face.